Hey little learners, I have a surprise for you, so let's go to the class. I'm Elly and today I brought you a bigger number and that is 20. It is a bigger number and by counting it comes after 19. Let's see how 20 looks like. So we write 2 and big O shape 0. So it makes 20.
It's time to count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So it comes after 19. Let's see how many 20s are here on the screen. So let's find out. 1, 2, 3 20 numbers, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there are 7 20s on the screen. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video with something new. Bye bye.